Thanks for taking the time out to be with us today. It's an honor for me to welcome ma'am and Karthik here. I think they truly mark the evolution of taste and achievement, and all of that we want Square to stand up for. So I won't take too much time. I just want to briefly explain to you what we mean by the square. Typically in olden days, if you see, square was the place where people used to meet, right? The town square, the village square and things like that. So that's the reason behind the naming of square. And Cafe Coffee Day today has 1,532 outlets across India. And this outlet marks the 100th outlet in Tamil Nadu, which is a huge landmark achievement for us because this is the land of coffee. So the 100th outlet in Tamil Nadu is a huge achievement for us. Now, as far as the square is concerned, there are 4 across India. Fourth is this one. The first one was in Bangalore. There are 2 in Delhi, and this is the 4th. What differentiates the square from the rest of the Cafe Coffee Days that we have is that here we focus on, like Shivani said, what we call a single origin coffee, which means coffee which comes from a single source. So here you get coffee from Ethiopia, from Guatemala, from various places, and even single origin coffees from within India. And to go with this single origin coffee, there's a wide variety of menu as well. We have a live kitchen here, so we have pastas and soups and salads and all of those put together. More importantly, in every square, in every city that we have something known as the huddle room, which is upstairs. I hope you find the time to go and take a look at that. The huddle room is a small conference kind of a setting. Typically, conferences and corporate meetings used to happen, let's say 5-star hotels and places like that. We are just trying to bring them over to a more common place like this. And so therefore this conference room comes with a conferencing facility, Wi-Fi, projection and all of those. And of course, great coffee to go with that. So therefore, we believe this addresses the needs of an evolving customer. I mean, customers have not been the same, people are changing, trends are changing, people are getting exposed. So to this evolving customer, we want to offer evolving things, and Square is clearly in that. And to demonstrate that the concept of evolution of tastes is why we put together this small program where I think Karthik and ma'am are going to talk about how tastes have evolved even in the areas of creativity and music. I'll also take a minute to introduce my colleague Merlin. Merlin is a celebrated coffee evangelist. Why I say that is that in the business of coffee, there's a contest which happens every year in which people are voted for and people are selected as being the best brewmasters, the people who make the best coffee, and he won the championship last year. And he represented India in Vienna. He was representing India in the coffee brewing championship, and he's going to talk to you a little bit about single origins after this session. So that's all I have to say about Square, and if there are questions, I'm happy to answer after the meeting, one-on-one or together. Thank you so much.
எல்லோருக்கும் வணக்கம். வணக்கம் சென்னை. வடடைட்டில் காஃபி அண்ட் சென்னை, தமிழ்நாடு, அதுக்கு எவ்வளோ சம்மந்தம் இருக்குது நம்ம எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும். ஸ்கொயரில் காஃபி அப்படின்னா நம்ம முன்னாடியெல்லாம் நம்ம சொல்லுவோம் மார்க்கெட் பிளேஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுவோம், ஜங்ஷன் சொல்லுவோம். இப்போ ஸ்கொயர் வந்திருக்கு. அதுவும் சென்னைஸ் மோஸ்ட் ஃபேஷனபிள் ஃபேஷன் ஸ்ட்ரீட்டில் if there is a square, who's not going to come here? From the boys to the girls to the family, everybody is going to be here. Adun, they said 100th outlet, this is in Tamil Nadu. 100 is a very, very important number, especially for film people and also Sachin. And many of us, 100 is a very, very important number. I remember 100 being my very scary number because maths la 100 வாங்கலனா வீட்ல வதப்பாங்க. ஞாபகம் எல்லாருக்கும். அது பால்சந்தர் படத்துல எல்லாம் வேற வரும். I was studying in OCPM school, and every Friday we used to have this maths test where they would correct the paper then and there and give you. And those who got centum will stand in the shadow of beautiful tree. The others guess. I think standing in the shadow was not really written. Adhanala light it munadiye vandachu. How did my journey in the film industry start? Appdin pathina, I came to study in Chennai when my family was in Parmakudi. And coffee is very famous in South Indian families. You know, I mean, it's a very, very important part. Like how a girl has to light a lamp, she has to make the decoction in the morning also. You know, you are tested by your ability to make the best decoction in the morning. It's so holy that the children are not allowed to taste coffee for a long time. You know that. All of you know that. So 2 people in our family kept the tradition of not tasting coffee for a long time. Before me, there was another person. Any guesses who didn't taste coffee till he was about 10 years old? Kamal Haasan, yes. But recently when I saw him, he was drinking pots and pots of coffee, and I was really surprised. because my sister broke the tradition. She drank coffee when she was 10 and 12, and my younger sister was also drinking. But Kamal and I kept the tradition for a very, very long time. Till 16, we were not allowed to drink coffee. Now, you know how successful he is and why, because of perseverance and certain things go. Idhe Kamal vande, he was acting in a film called Moondru Mudichu, and I didn't know anything about cinema at that point. Film industry, there is a lot of jargons, especially cinematography jargons that people don't understand. If I say senior, junior, inky dinky, brute, mini brute, it will all sound like some crazy words for you, but these are all names of lights. The lights that are used in film industry, it's called brute, mini brute, senior, junior and baby. Okay? So I was like 13 years old, and Moondru Mudichu was shot in my house, 1975. I remember the year also very well. And my grandmother wanted me to be in movies. So what she did was take a tray full of wonderful coffee made by me and give it to Balachandar, Rajnikant, Sridevi and cameraman Loknath, and definitely you will be there in the movie. சொல்லி அனுப்பிச்சாங்க எனக்கு. நான் கையில் ஒரு 6 கப் ஆஃப் காஃபி எடுத்துட்டு மொட்டை மாடிக்கு மெதுவாக இப்படி மேலே போன உடனே லோக்நாத் was the cameraman. He screamed at one of the lightmen and said, இங்கே பேபி இருக்கக்கூடாதுன்னு நான் எவ்வளோ தூரம் சொல்லியிருக்கேன், பேபி உடனே தூக்கி வெளில போடுவோம் அப்படின்னா. And I thought I was the baby. I was 13 years old, but I was very short and really small. So I thought children, only adults are supposed to be there in the shoot. I came down and I started crying. I won't give the coffee. And then Kamal came down and said, what happened? You were supposed to send coffee up to the terrace where the shooting was going on. What happened? Nalla peepa maatri irukka, nee vandu baby-ya. Bring the coffee. So he made me bring the coffee. Then I realized baby actually meant a name of a light. Okay, from somebody who didn't know anything about cinema, who brought coffee to the best of people in the film industry. Today I am here standing in front of all of you. My only qualification is that I have been in cinema for a very, 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 very long time. So coffee has played a very, very important part in my life.
To Coffee Day for opening this beautiful place here, and ma'am, it's a pleasure to share the stage with you. Very, very, very happy to be here, and Parlan showing up. So
in the country, but